Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping power and firmware so pairing is smooth. Charge the case and both earbuds until the case LED shows full. This prevents interrupted updates. Once charged, open the case next to your phone with Bluetooth enabled. The earbuds enter pairing mode automatically. Make sure you install the Samsung Wearable or Galaxy Buds app so you can update firmware and set left/right behavior. These steps avoid connection errors and give you full control over sound. You now pair and configure features for daily use. If pairing fails, select the buds in Bluetooth settings or use Add New Device inside the app. Accept the pairing prompt when it appears. Once connected, open the app to set touch gestures, noise-canceling levels, and ambient sound so you get the right balance between isolation and awareness. Adjust the equalizer and assign single-ear usage or voice assistant activation. This optimizes battery life and ensures each earbud behaves as you expect for calls, media, and workouts. You finish by learning daily use, care, and a go-to-fix. Fit the correct ear tips and rotate each earbud gently to create a seal, which improves bass and call clarity. After use, place buds in the case to charge and protect them. Wipe tips with a dry cloth and avoid running them underwater. If connectivity or sound issues arise, reset through the app or perform a manual reset by holding touch controls about 10 seconds. Then charge the case for 30 minutes before reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.